smells so good, smells so good. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our Vellabox unboxing for March of 2025. If you are unfamiliar with them, they are an incredible candle subscription where every month you can pick from 3 different size candles and they showcase a different small business across the US, so you get to discover new candle brands and support small businesses every single month. You do also get a free gift every month, and you fill out a scent profile quiz and they match you with a scent that perfectly fits your scent profile. I do have a code that will save you 50% off of your first box, and they already have amazing prices. So I'll put the price structure up on the screen. They do send this to me and I do get to pick the scent, but like I said, yours would be based off of your scent profile. I don't remember what candle I picked, but let's go ahead and dive in. So when you open it up, this is what the box looks like this month. It says, like the garden after winter's rest, we too are ready to bloom again. I love that. Looks like the theme for this month is in full bloom. And our candle maker is Oak and Ember. They are from Manhattan, Illinois. Founded by sisters Erica and Kaylin. At an early age, they began crafting and creating together, and every candle from Oak and Ember is hand poured. Each scent has been thoughtfully curated as an invitation to enjoy a cozy moment with every light. I love that. And they do also give you a coupon code for 15% off from Oak and Ember. And then they do give you a playlist every month, which is awesome. They curate this to kind of fit the theme of the box, and it is so nice. I love putting it on and just like cleaning my house or relaxing around. It just gives beautiful ambiance. So I love that they do that. Our free item this month is this macrame coaster. This is super, super cute. I love this blue color. I feel like this is really pretty and kind of goes with like any decor. So I love this. This is something you can put under your candle to kind of protect your surfaces, or put on your desk to protect the desk from your drinks. And it's just really pretty. This is a $12 value as well. So love that. This is our candle. As always, it comes in a beautiful little drawstring canvas bag. I love that they do this. I use these all the time. I've said this before, I use them for giving gifts to people or traveling to just put little tiny things. I keep one in my car for like Band-Aids and feminine products and essentials that I need on the road, and they're just really pretty. Oh my God, I can smell it from outside. Yummy. This is what it looks like. This is beautiful. I love this label. So I got the La Serena, which is the fresh and citrus scent profile. Has notes of white tea, ginger, linen, jasmine, and cedarwood. It says, step into the soft hotel robe, open the curtains to the welcoming sound of the ocean waves in paradise. La Serena is a gentle, grounding scent with white tea and ginger at the top, finishing with bottom notes of linen and jasmine. That's exciting. Oh, wow. Yeah, that really does smell like a luxury hotel at a tropical resort. I envision a very nice like spa near the beach, very tropical, with a nice citrusy tropical drink and just a really relaxing cup of tea. That smells so good. I cannot wait to burn this. And this is a 16-ounce candle, which will last me for the whole month, almost, when I burn it every single day. So it's a great size and I am so excited to light this. So that is my Vellabox for March. I'm super excited about this, and I feel like this is just gonna be the perfect spring scent. If you are interested in trying Vellabox, use my code and you can save 50% off your first box in a subscription, and I know that you're absolutely gonna love it. Thank you so much to Vellabox for sending this to me and working with me. I truly love Vellabox. It's one of my favorite subscriptions, and I'm super, super excited to share it with you guys. I know that you will absolutely love it. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me. I always appreciate you doing so, and I hope you stick around so I can see you in the next one. If you do, I will see you then, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!